Hey guys, this is, well, first of all, this is, something creepy in the house is happening, so, a lot of creepy stuff is happening, so I'm gonna videotape it if anything happens, just, let's, I don't know, see if anything happens, okay. I'm gonna go to bed, and it's gonna be night one, okay. Something creepy is really happening right now. Holy shit. Dude, my life keeps on turning. Dude, this creepy. This stuff is creepy. Dude, I'm freaking going to bed. Dude, this is really, this is not fake, I'm serious, this is real, I swear to God,